Hi everybody. So today I wanted to show you the next layer on the hat, and also I'm going to start on the chainmail as well. That's kind of up around his head here. So I thought I'd show you that process. So last video I did on the hat, you saw I put the first layer of yellow on and black. So I'm just going to show you the next layer on that, which will probably end up being the final layer for that color. Again, doing this using a 50-50 mix of linseed oil and pine gum as my medium to thin this down. And then real quickly, see if I can get this into focus. There we go. Oops. And it'll bring out the color. Make the color on this really stand out. Sorry, I gotta turn this upside down so I can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Work on this one real quick. Flip this over so I can have a little bit more control over the bottom of this. There we go. Alright. I'll do one more. I'll go in and I'll do the black. I know most of you who paint, painting in layers is a little bit easier. Takes a little bit longer, but I think the result is more vibrant. You get better color out of it. Okay. So kind of like that on the yellow. So let me go in and start with black. I'll do a couple of those just to show you that. And also on this particular figure I did not use pure black. I mixed my black using burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. Can't speak this morning. So we'll start with this one. And look at that. I think that stands out really nicely right now. sorry, out of shot. So there we go, a couple of bands done on the yellow and the black for the hat. And I'm gonna go around and finish that, and when I come back I'm gonna start showing you how I'm gonna paint the chainmail. Okay, see you all in a few minutes.